Welcome! If you want to keep your Roblox account secure, changing your password regularly is a smart move, especially after the latest updates. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to change your Roblox password on the web using your PC. Don't worry, it's quick and easy, and I'll guide you through every click. First, open up your favorite web browser and head straight to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're on the real site to avoid any scams or phishing attempts. Once you're there, log in with your current username and password. Now, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, that's your settings menu. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you control all your account information. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on the Account Info tab. Here, you'll see details like your display name, email, and password. Next to the Password section, you'll notice a small pencil or edit icon. Click on that to start the password change process. A new window will pop up, asking you to enter your current password. Type it in carefully. Then, in the next field, enter your new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. You'll need to confirm your new password by typing it again in the next box. Once you've double-checked everything, click the Update button. Roblox will process your request, and if everything matches, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know your password has been successfully changed. That's it. You've just updated your Roblox password in a few simple steps. Remember to keep your new password safe and never share it with anyone. If you ever forget your password, Roblox also offers a recovery option right from the login page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming with peace of mind knowing your account is secure.